namin siya at with the support, of course, of the whole ISU family. Basta, rest assured, we're here. Your local government, your city government, plus the academy are in full support of the coming up of SM City Kawayan, which will be the #1 tourist spot in the whole of Region 2. Kaya po, with that, sa magandang tanghali, and I wish you all the best. I hope to see you in your SMIDs already by next year, by April. So, muli, thank you very much and have a pleasant afternoon to all of you.